Hey folks, welcome back. Okay, we're on our way to a farm to pick up half a hog. So we thought we'd just take you along with us a little bit because we're driving down some back roads in Maine and thought maybe you might like. So I pulled over. There's a creek down there. There's actually a nice one down there. And we'll keep going up here because we're almost to, I forgot the name of the farm. We didn't raise our own pig this year. We're probably going to next year. And we're talking about getting some goats. I know we're really close here. Oh. Rick has my directions. There's a house there. Should be doing it this way too. So this farm is
continue straight onto Old County Road. Then your destination will be on the right.
55 acres.
Is it?
Is this it right here?
Yeah, over here.
Yeah, that's right. It's here. They got like 55 acres.
Destination is on the right.
And this place is old, let me tell you. They just moved here a little while ago from Montana. Kind of to start a life anew. I'm going to put my purse down here. Bring this with me. Excuse some of this, and I'm not good at videotaping, so as you know, it's windy here. So this home, I gotta ask her how old this home is. I forget. Do you remember how old the home is?
No idea.
It's not in the best of shape, but they're working on it, and they got it for a really, really good price. I hear you. I know that they went to the... Can you film the house a little bit or film around the farm? I gotta put my jacket on. Yeah. Just kind of show everybody around a little bit. Go over there to the cow maybe. Hi. We're filming French Family Farm, right?
Oh, okay. $10 autographs.
This is Varian. Here, I'll take over.
Yeah, Becky's inside.
Okay, Becky's inside, but Varian has our... Am I saying your name right?
You are.
Okay, good. Has our pork.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
While Rick does that, can I film some of the animals a little bit?
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks. All right, so we're just going to go around the farm a little bit. It's a little drier today. So, I mean, on this 55 acres, they have goats and chickens and pigs. This is homesteading. This is where we want to get to. We want to, we want to get to where we're really, truly, we're truly homesteading, but you know you're homesteading when you've got all the animals under the sun. They must have everything put away because usually the chickens are running around like crazy, but they have to be put in at night, obviously, for obvious reasons, because you don't want them to get eaten by anything. There's some pigs in here. I hear ya. I know you probably think I have something, but I don't. Oh, you hear the cow over there. Everybody's saying, hey, hello, hi. Hi, how are you? What'd you bring me? I didn't bring anything. Sorry. There's a chicken running around over there. Where'd it go? Did I get it? Missed it, huh? There it is. I show chickens all the time on here, but I want to show some of the other stuff. Here's some other, look at these little baby pigs over here. These ones are so adorable. Oh my gosh. So they raise pigs for pets. And they raise these little baby pigs. And they get housebroken. And they walk around like little doggies. And they follow you everywhere. And they're not for meat. Look how cute this one is. They're so cute. Look at you. Oh my gosh, there's the mommy. Mommy's like, what are you doing? Look how little that one is. Look at how little that one is. Oh, they're adorable. There's something down there. I'm not sure what that is, actually, to tell you the truth. I know there's more cows down there and there's some goats. I mean, this is definitely a way cool farm. You know, they come here from Montana, so they've got it all. Okay, folks, I will end it with the baby pigs. I just wanted to share some of this farm. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I need you to hit the subscribe button. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh, it's going nuts. It's the red. Like when I was new at this, I didn't know what that meant, how important it was. It's important, people. Okay, and it's free. I will see you guys later. Just a little bit more. I just want to see those goats. Lots of different cows. I know I said I was going to log off, but oh my gosh, they just have so much here. All right, I really am logging off this time. All right, folks, and saying goodbye to the little piggies right here. Gonna end it with the little piggies. Bye-bye.